In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove limitations from your PayPal account in 2025. Whether you've encountered some restrictions or your account has been permanently limited, this easy to follow guide will help you resolve the issue and regain full access to your account in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. If you're new to PayPal or not sure of the web address, it's www.paypal.com. You'll be taken to the homepage where you can see options such as mobile wallet information and more. PayPal is a widely used service across the globe, and its features are highly beneficial for managing your finances online. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click this to be taken to the login page, where you will enter your email address and password. It's important to use the correct login information to avoid any additional issues. After logging in, you may be prompted to complete a security step, which we'll discuss next. Now, you might see an option for receiving a security code. PayPal offers two ways for you to receive this code. The first is by getting a WhatsApp message, and the second is by simply receiving a text message on your phone. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Once you receive the code, enter it into the designated field to proceed. After successfully logging into your PayPal account, navigate to the PayPal homepage. Familiarize yourself with the home screen, which displays a summary of your account including any alerts or notifications that may require your attention. Next, you'll want to visit PayPal's wallet section. This is where all of your linked financial instruments are displayed, such as credit cards, bank accounts, and PayPal balance options. It's an essential hub for managing your payment methods and ensuring everything is correctly linked and up to date. Once in the wallet section, you should see a list of your accounts and payment methods. Carefully select the account or card that you wish to work with. If you notice any discrepancies or need to update your information, now is a perfect time to make those changes to ensure smooth transactions in the future. Lastly, locate the option to confirm your card. This is crucial if your PayPal account has been limited due to a verification issue. By confirming your card, you're validating your identity and ownership of the linked financial instrument, which helps lift any unwanted restrictions on your account. By following these steps thoroughly and verifying your information, you should successfully remove limitations from your PayPal account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate and resolve any PayPal issues you're experiencing. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful content.